Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I am so happy to have you here because in today's video there will be tons of cleaning motivation. I will also be doing Christmas Undecorate, and as well as I will be frying some tamales, and we only do this when it's leftovers. And let me tell you, this is a life changer to the way you eat in your tamales. But anywho, I hope to see you during and the end of the video. But before watching the video, could you pause it for 2 seconds so you can go subscribe, like this video, comment. It would just help me so much with my channel. And yeah, thanks guys. All right, so I'm outside, and if you hear anything loud in the background, it's because I'm outside. I'm enjoying this Texas weather right now. I know we're in December, but it actually feels like spring, so it's a beauty out here, and I'm trying to enjoy before we actually hit winter, which will be in somewhat January. But anyway, so I want to say Merry Christmas. I know I didn't say it in the previous video. I didn't expect to not have a video for you guys on Friday. Actually, my daughter Adriana had asked me to not record or do any type of videos because she wanted me to enjoy just family time and just be with them. We did so much playing video games and board games, and I actually made a dinner, which I'll explain further on in the video. But yeah, I had a wonderful time with my family. I enjoyed it. I hope you did as well. I hope you got everything that you wished for, plus some more for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it with family, however you spent it. And if you didn't celebrate Christmas, I just hope you had a wonderful day that day, every day actually. But yeah, I wish you all the best, and I just want to say sorry for not having a video for you guys. And but anyway, so we are going to attack the bedroom first, as you guys already noticed, and that is because I always put out my bedroom. I have no idea, but this year we're doing things differently, okay? And we're gonna move on into the kitchen, and I'm so sorry for the out of focus. I do not know what happened. I just hit record, and I don't know if the lens were, I don't know, catching where I was at. I'm not sure, but I do like to clean the windows. I like to ultimate and deep clean throughout my whole house. And here, the stove, the range was so dirty because, you guys, I am very happy and proud to say this, but I made pozole verde, and let me tell you, it was so delicious. The family were like amazed that I even made it. Like, I was even amazed at how delicious it came out. Like, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but it was really delicious, especially because it was my first time. And it took longer than what I expected, only because I had to like find the ingredients and prep it and then cook time. And but I feel like the more I do it, the easier and faster it will become. But I want to do a video on that, on how I did the pozole verde, so you guys can try it, and let me know what you guys think. Maybe I missed something, or but anyways, yeah, that's what we had for Christmas. Even though Christmas time, it was very warm on Christmas Day. It was like, what, 80s? And it felt so good, but I thought it was going to be cold, but it came out that it was actually hot that day. But I still made my pozole because I had it planned that it was going to be cold. But anyways, so yeah, so we're just going to clean off the dishes. We're also going to Christmas undecorate in here as well. Okay, now we're in the living room, and this is one of the gifts that Adriana received for Christmas. And we had a little tea party in here with some cheese and crackers, and I actually didn't have tea, so we just used cranberry juice, which was totally cool. And it was so much fun because her dad joined us, so did Abel. Just don't tell them that I told y'all, you guys, but they did join us, so it was something to cherish forever. And I enjoyed the time with Adriana. Her face was just priceless, you guys, and she loved her little tea party set because they were actually porcelain. And so yeah, so we had really fun. And next we're just going to Christmas Undecorate, which is the Christmas tree. We're going to start moving things around to declutter in here. If you're here or you're out there, do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Bye Christmas, I'm gonna miss you. But I'm only doing this because my bulk trash comes in the first of the month, and I need them to pick up this Christmas tree. I don't want it having sit in my yard for a whole month. And so that is why I had to do it early this year. I didn't think things through when I first bought it. I usually had a artificial Christmas tree, but it's just became like complicated for me because I don't have the space or storage for to put all of my decor. So it was just easier to buy a real one. And so now I had to throw it out in my front yard for the bulk trash. And it just kind of blows because I like to leave my Christmas tree up at least until, I don't know, after New Year's. And I don't know, it's a little after New Year's, and kind of already like in the middle of January, to be honest. And this year I just had to do it very earlier, and it just sucks because I wanted to keep the Christmas spirit going for as long as I can. We actually really enjoy the Christmas tree. It's just really, I don't know, cozy and warm when we watch a movie. And I don't know, now I'm just gonna have to look into some type of lighting to bring, light into the living room when it's night out. But yeah, so, but the positive side of this, my plants are back to their window where they're going to receive that morning sunshine. So because having them in the corner there, they were starting to die off. I don't know if it's because I moved them and they're not used to, it was less lighting there, but I don't know, it's just a love and hate situation here. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little. All right, so moving on into the bathroom, I'm not going to actually like really deep clean in here. I'm just gonna give it a quick scrub because there was a little soap scrub, oh my gosh, soap scum around the tub, as well as a little bit on the tile wall. But other than that, it wasn't that messy in here because I already deep cleaned. As you've seen on my previous video, I deep cleaned my bathroom and gave it a refresh and also a fresh coat of paint. But I'll leave that video down below if you want to see that video. But yeah, so I'm just going to just take out the trash, just organize, clean in here, just really ultimate clean in here, and that is it. Okay, in the kids' bedroom, it's a totally different ball game because it's very complicated in here. Abel, he'll clean his side of the room and he'll leave Adriana's side just a total mess, which is pretty cool because I usually just like to tell them individually, like they have to clean up after themselves. And with Adriana, actually, I know she's a girl, but she's a little bit messier. She'll clean when she, like, I guess when she's in the mood. And she hasn't been sleeping in her bedroom lately, and that is because that isn't my fault. Because now that Chris has been going to work way much earlier, he used to go into work at 6 a.m. and now he's gone by 4:30, and honestly, I have trouble sleeping by myself. Like if I don't feel a body or presence next to me, like I just can't sleep. So I have to force her to, or like beg her to wake up to go lay down next to me, and so that way I can go to sleep peacefully and more comfortable and at ease, which is so weird of me. And I know some parents would be like, she's too big to be sleeping with you, but I don't see her that she's big. She's still my baby in my eyes, and she's doing me a favor actually. So I just wanted to do something special for her for when she does sleep in her own room, in her own bed with this. I don't know what you call this, but I got this at Five Below, and it was a very good affordable thing to put over the bed that she's been wanting forever, and that is what she got for Christmas. And absolutely she's in love with it. And then she just tells me that I better not be begging to wake her up to go lay down with me, because she's going to enjoy every bit of laying in her own bed with her, I think it's called canopy, right? Over the head, and then with her fairy lights, which makes it really cozy for her. And yeah, so I just cleaned up a little bit for them in here as well. So after a long day of cleaning, Christmas undecorate, organizing, declutter, you guys, you name it. So I thought I'd treat myself with a glass of wine while I fry our tamales that my mother-in-law has given me. You can eat them fresh. We've eaten them fresh, but since this is leftover, we normally like to fry them. And I've never eaten them this way until I met my husband and his family. And when I seen that they were doing this for leftovers, like it just blew my mind that I never really had them like that. I've always had them fresh, and fried is just, it's a life changer, at least for me. They are just so delicious. They're unhealthy, but they're delicious. And let's get real, you guys, we only do this once a year. Well, at least for me anyways, in my family, we eat this once a year. So we can't skip this up. And if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. Let me know how do you eat your tamales, and I would like to hear from you guys. I don't know, I hear this is not good. I don't know, Chris is like, he swears up and down because he's from Guanajuato that this is the way you're supposed to eat them. And I don't know, I hear people eat them with ketchup. So to each their own, but I would love to hear how you eat your tamales. This is one of my favorites. Maybe I'll try it with ketchup one day, but till now, this is how I'm eating them, fried. All right, guys, so you've reached the end of the video. All that is left is you can just add your crema and your choice of salsa, and that is it. You're ready to go and enjoy your fried tamales. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation and clean the whole house or whatever it is you have to do before New Year, so you can start the New Year fresh. But with that being said, I don't think I have anything else to say except Happy New Year, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.